Welcome back to another tutorial on how to do things in in Windows. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a clean install of Windows, how to format your hard drive or solid state drive, and what this is going to show you is how to format your drive. So basically, a lot of people, including me, would use the built-in reset this PC thing for a while, but you actually shouldn't do that unless you really need to. But if you're looking to do a clean install of Windows, then you should use this. So let's show you how. So you're gonna want to boot up your computer. If you do not have an operating system installed, then only the second half of this tutorial will be helpful. So start up Windows and log into Windows. So then once you're in, step 2, plug in a USB flash drive. Make sure it is at least 8 gigabytes in size. Windows is thickening up over the years, so you're gonna want to make it big. You need to plug in a USB flash drive to a USB port on your machine. Next, visit the Windows Media download link in the video description. Download the ISO file and let it download. Then do step 3. So you can see at the bottom here, it says download Windows disk image. It might be Windows 10 depending on what you want, or it could be Windows 12 or 15. And you click download. Then you change the product language. I'm English in the United States, the free world. So I click confirm, and then you can download 64-bit. So then go to rufus.ie and download Rufus. And then open Rufus and select the ISO file that you downloaded. Now the default settings should be fine. If it gives you something when your computer starts, like a big error screen, try changing partition scheme to MBR. That should only be necessary if your computer's pretty old, but otherwise I think you'll be fine. So then click start, but I probably should have put it first, but before you start, remember that this will erase the USB flash drive. Everything on it will go away, so please back it up before you do this. And then once you've done that, you can do the next step. So that, oh wait, well the title got cut off, that kinda sucks, but this is the most important part. Back up anything you want to back up on your drive. So if you have like documents, then you definitely want to back those up. If you have like game saves, then those would probably be in your app data folder. You probably want to back those up. If you do not know what to back up or how to do that, please look it up because there are many ways to do it and they may work better for some people than other methods. Now it's time for the meaty stuff. And check again. I hope you backed it up. Now restart your computer, but before you do that, look up on Google or Bing or ask.com, Ask Jeeves. Look up what key you need to press to get into your computer's boot menu. Then restart the PC and hold it down until you get there. So once your PC screen goes black fully, then hold the key down until it brings you to the boot screen. So now let's do it. Now that you've done all of the hard stuff, let us commence. In the boot menu, select your USB flash drive, and then you should see a Windows setup window after a little while of waiting. It should look like that. So then click next and next and next and like all the buttons that you need to click until it brings you to this screen. Now I'll zoom in on it because it's kind of small. I was a little bit restricted in space on this slideshow. So press the buttons until you get to this screen. And now you need to identify which drive is yours. So you should know how big your drive is. If you have like 500 gigabits, then you can select that one. If you have like 241, then you can select that one too. But make sure it's the right one. If you're not confident about the right one, if you have more than one, maybe turn your computer off and go into it and unplug the drives you don't want to erase, just so you don't risk anything. So now you want to click on it and then click format. This is what deletes all of your stuff. So be sure to make sure you've backed up everything. Alright, good job. Now you've uninstalled Windows and everything else. But now you can install it. Now you have installed Windows. Restore the backup you made. However, now you have installed Windows. Restore the backup you made. However you did that, and then you should be good to go. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like if this helped. Goodbye.